In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make dotted lines in Figma. Start by opening your design file so you are looking at the canvas where you want the dotted line to live. Next, select the line tool. You can tap the L key as a shortcut. Then click and drag on the canvas to draw your line. If you want it perfectly straight horizontal, vertical, or at a 45-degree angle, hold the Shift key while you drag. That modifier locks the angle, so you get a crisp, consistent direction. With the line still selected, look to the design panel on the right. Find stroke and click the plus icon to add one. This is where you choose the color and the thickness of the line. Pick a color that's easy to see over your background and set the stroke weight to define how big each dot will appear. Think of the stroke weight as the dot's diameter. Increasing it will make the dots larger. Now open the advanced stroke settings. Click the three dots icon next to the stroke weight control. This expands a panel with more precise options. If you don't see it, double-check that your line is selected. We'll turn this solid stroke into a dotted pattern using the dash settings. In the dash field, enter a small number. 1 works well for most cases. This tells Figma to draw very short dashes that will become your dots. Then adjust the gap value to control the space between those dots. Increase the gap to spread them out, or decrease it to bring them closer together. Keep in mind that larger stroke weights usually look better with slightly larger gaps, so the dots don't feel crowded. To make the dots actually look circular, change the dash cap to round. Without this, your tiny dashes may appear square or blunt. Setting the cap to round softens the ends of each dash. And because the dash length is so small, those rounded ends visually form a circle. Take a moment to zoom in and out to confirm the spacing and size feel right at different scales. If you need bigger dots, adjust the stroke weight. If you want a tighter rhythm, tweak the gap. Everything updates live, so you can quickly dial in an exact look. And that's it. Thanks for watching.